In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add products to your Shopify store without using Oberlo. So for this, we're going to be using this app right here, Ali Orders AliExpress Dropship. So you want to make sure to install that. It will look like this. Now, once you've got this, you also need to install the extension. So if you just search for the Chrome Web Store, you want to make sure to search for Ali Orders, just like that, and then install the extension to your browser. If you then go to AliExpress and find a product that you would like to, let's see, add to your store, of course, you then click on the product. Let's say I want to drop ship with this product. You then click on it, and right there, the Ali Orders logo will then show up in the bottom right corner. Import products too. So you want to click on that. As you can see right there, it's then going to import it. If you then click on Open Import List, you'll find your products right here. So these are the imported products that I've imported to my store, or at least to Ali Orders as of right now. And we can then add that to our Shopify store. If I click on push to shop right there, push now, there you go. We'll also go with this one, push now. There we go. Your import list is empty. So I just imported and added this product onto my Shopify store. If I just go to my store right now, I'll show you that they're indeed showing up right here on my store, all products, and here they are. So that's how you can add products to your Shopify store without using Oberlo. Now, there are probably plenty of more options that you can use. So just go to the Shopify App Store, search for import products, and use any of the apps on the App Store. But that's how you can do this. If this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.